Hey guys, today we will be demonstrating how to program the Merlin E970M into the earlier Merlin Plus model motors. In order to do this, we will need to begin by pressing and holding the left and the right button simultaneously until the green LED at the top of the remote goes from flashing green to solid green, which I will now demonstrate. So we'll press and hold the left and right, and as you can see, the LED on the remote is now flashing. And we'll continue to hold for about 4 to 5 seconds until we see the solid green light. From there, you can release the buttons on the remote, and the remote is now ready to be programmed into your motor. So head on over to your motor and press and release the learn button on your motor. From there, press and hold the desired button on the remote for 1 to 2 seconds, release it, and in some instances, you will need to press the same button again to program it correctly. Once you see the LED on the motor flash, it indicates that the remote has been received into the motor's memory, and you can now lock the code in by pressing a separate button on the remote. Once you do this, the green LED on the remote will go out, which now indicates the remote is now successfully programmed into the motor. Thanks guys.